buying. Okay, what about a Sara Duterte presidency? Because some sectors are also saying change must happen, government must correct itself, but we should make sure that there should be no more Duterte in government. Oh, so ikaw, anong basa mo naman?
Sino ba yung nagsasabi na no more Duterte?
Maraming ganon. sa mga protest, ganito
gusto lang
may DDS,
gusto din naman,
may church, at saka syempre yung left, di ba?
Gusto din naman lang kasi sila mag-presidente. Alam nyo, hindi ba demokrasya ito? Hindi ba ito padamihan ng boto? Galit kayo kay Sara Duterte kasi hindi nyo talaga kaya. Kahit anong gawin nyo, anong ginawa ngayon ng mga congressman. Pinasa ang budget niya without any question. Courtesy na daw. Hina mo kung ano kayo ka. Mga balimbing kayo. Wala pa nga 2027 lalaro na kayo kasi baka sakaling magpresidente yari kayo.
That's how you read it?
Yeah.
Na pumapwesto na, parang nakita na nila na nawala na ng poder.
Parliamentary courtesy. Bull. Yung impeachment nyo. Yung mga quadcom nyo dyan, mga tawag ng tao, tuwadcom. Wala ko, no other institution of government is so vilified by the people than this House of Representatives. Ang hirap talaga ng
Representatives. I caught your word.
Tao, wala na talaga silang dangal. Nakakahiya na. Ginoo ko, nakakahiya na. Parang, ano ba yan? Parang ayoko na mag-congressman. Parang, if you have any sense of decency at all, stop. Stop your kickbacks. Di ba kayo nahiya niyan yung mga apo nyo, mga ano nyo, nagdadamay yan? Stop it! Kaya gusto nyo lang, not another Duterte. Bakit? Gusto nyo, iba? Sino? Sino ang gusto nyo? Sige, I will answer you, but you answer me now. Sino ba ang gusto nyo para alam ko rin kung sino ang boboto ko? Wag. Si Mama Aquino? Not another Aquino. Sabi nyo, wala nang dilawan.
Sino?
Si Sharon Cuneta. Pwede, diba?
Yung marami talagang ayaw ng Sara Duterte presidency.
Sinong marami?
Marami niyan. Ang dami nagsasabi, syempre, yung mga kaalaban.
Pero
yung mga pro-impeachment.
Ikaw na rin nagsabi, pag eleksyonin natin ngayon, panalo si Sara.
Would that be a bad thing to happen?
Why should it be a bad thing?
Because they're saying that much of the theft happened during the time of the Duterte administration.
Then put it there in the investigation. Where is it?
Well, ICI pa lang nga mag-establish na. But we're saying, di ba, moving forward, parang are we going to vote the same people in government na nakikita ng araw na I'm just mouthing what people are saying.
Hanapan nyo naman ng corruption ng mga Duterte na hindi nyo muna unahin itong mga congressman ngayon na sure na meron ng mga contractors at engineers na were sinusuka na yung alam nila. May witness kayo dyan against Bulong Duterte. Why not? Ilagay nyo dyan sa investigation commission nyo. No one should be spared. Di ba? Pero yung Pulong got 51 billion. How much did Romualdez get? Right? But do you trace any flood control funds in his name? Wala, di ba? Except, sabi ni Meow, Congressman Kiko Barzaga na wala naman daw baha dun sa Dasmariñas for 20 years. Biglang siya ang caretaker, si Romualdez, ay may flood control funds na ang district ni Pids Barzaga. Customs, bakit hindi niya rin tingnan ng customs? Bakit? Meron ba tayong mga friends yan sa customs na hindi natin pwedeng galawin? Customs.
Parang nagpapahiwatig ka na meron siya mga
meron. So, ang ko lang, kung talagang seryoso ang presidente, gawin niya sa lahat ng agencies of government. Kasama na ang customs.
So, hindi lang DPWH.
Hindi.
Pero malawakan masyado yan. Kailan natin makikita yan?
3 taon pa naman Kaya pa yan?
Kaya pa yan?
Isang utos lang yan. Kita mo, isang utos niya lang. Di palit speaker.
Do you think that the government, the administration right now, or the Congress right now is more corrupt than the past Congress?
Of course.
This is...
I think this is like, this one is the champion. This one gets the trophy of trophies because tinuruan nga sila ni Romualdez eh. Ito na yung worst nung time ni Duterte. Kahit anong sabihin nyo kay Duterte, JK, mamatay tao, ganyan, nagmumura, pero takot sila kay Duterte magnakaw ng hayag-hayagan kasi mumurahin sila ni Digong. Takot sila. Ito, pinsan niya, sagot mo kami, boss, ha? Hindi sila takot. Di ba? Kaya, itong invention na ito ng insertion at insertion fee at flood control at rock netting, ito, tingnan nyo mabuti, you trace the budget. Nangyayari lang ito since 2022. Let's talk about the Secretary of DPWH, Bonoan. Why did you just resign? Why are you not responded in these cases?
Well, he will be now.
He should
because
be.
Ping Lacson named him already.
Hindi pa siya marunong mag-mathematics. He should be, It's gotta be a crime, if you don't know how to do math. And you're Secretary of DPW.
Do you how this will all wrap up?
How I want it to wrap up is, I want this to be a stage for the next reform. And I hope VP Sara is listening because she's the woman to beat. Because ang resulta ng lahat ng mga ito, nakalokohan ng mga congressman, was to ensure na mananalo si Romualdez for president. Ngayon, hindi na. Kung 3% siya noon, kayo baka minus 30% na siya. So, hindi na siya makakatakbo. At ayaw na ni BBM sa kanya, obviously. So, sino ang kandidato ngayon ni BBM? Diba? So, now, the left, Bayan, Makabayan, the other parties, Liberal Party, will now have a chance. Diba? Diba? So, kasi weak na yung kandidato ni BBM. Diba? Kung sino man yun. I heard it can be Rimulya, the guapo one. Or they can have an alignment. Diba? It's not impossible for the left to go with Marcos, but tatawanan ko kayo.
Bakit?
Kung Marcos kayo, anong ginawa ni Ferdinand Marcos sa inyo ng martial law? That's very funny if you align with BBM. But, again, BBM is not going to run for president anymore. So it will depend who his candidate is.
So what will happen?
While this is out, it's the stage for reforms in the next term. And I hope VP Sara is listening. Because this is a serious, extraordinary stage in Philippine politics. The people are sukang-suka na sa corruption. And she has the character na matatakot din yung mga tao niya sa kanya na mangungurakot sila. Parang si Digong. Yung confidential fund na yun, set up yun. Binigyan siya confidential fund, hindi sila marunong mag-liquidate. Never mind that. But this should be the stage for reform. So whoever runs, sana, mag-commit naman sila sa taong bayan na walang corruption sa term namin. Just keep on fighting. Just keep on having the fire for your country. Kasi wala na. My generation is, wala pa, sunset years na kami. Ano pa ba ang mabibigay namin sa country? Ano pa ba? Yung iisipin mo, ang mayayaman. Magkano ba talaga ang sukdulan niyang yaman niyo?